Welcome to our guide on the top 5 essential apps for Australian students in 2025. In today's digital age, utilizing the right tools can enhance learning and ensure academic success. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, students in Australia are increasingly relying on technology to aid their studies. From virtual classrooms to interactive learning resources, the future of education is bright and tech-driven. When selecting essential apps, we focused on three key criteria: usability, educational value, and how well each app integrates with the Australian curriculum. First up, we have a comprehensive study planner. This app helps students organize their schedules, set reminders for assignments, and track their progress, making it easier to stay on top of their studies. Next is a collaborative learning platform that promotes teamwork and engagement. Students can work on group projects, share resources, and communicate seamlessly, fostering a strong learning community. Our third app is focused on mental health support, a crucial aspect of academic life. It offers tools for mindfulness, stress management, and access to professional help, ensuring students prioritize their well-being. Coming in at number 4 is a financial management app. This app provides tips for budgeting, tracking expenses, and managing finances effectively, which is essential for students living on a budget. Last but not least, we have a language learning app that's particularly relevant for multicultural Australia. This app enhances communication skills and fosters cultural understanding among students. In conclusion, these 5 apps play a vital role in enhancing academic success and enriching the overall student experience. Embracing technology in education is the way forward in 2025 and beyond.